Hi, do you want to block friend request on Facebook and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because I'm going to tell you the exact way how to block friend request of your friend on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started and first of all just simply open up your Facebook app and then just simply come to your menu section by tapping on these three lines in the top right corner. So once you come to your menu section, just simply tap at the gear near this search icon. Once you tap on it, it will redirect you to your settings and privacy section. In your settings and privacy section, just scroll down a little bit until you get the option of how people find and contact you. Just simply tap on it. And here you can see on the very top who can send you friend requests. I have set it to everyone. If you are tired of getting bunch of requests from the people to whom you don't know even and getting like spam requests, so you can set it to friends of friends. Unfortunately there is no way to completely block it, but you can make some limitation to get like increase the value of requests you getting daily. So that's how you can easily like block your friend request on Facebook. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. And if you think this video helped you, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.